Actually, I'm looking for a simple pond solutions. I searched around, especially through the IG, and I found few suppliers for the garden. And then I look at Konzept Garden proposals, and I think they are quite straightforward and simple solution that meet my requirements. Actually, I did consult your consultant. I give my requirements because I have few koi fish around. Then he said he's recommended the Bio Koi Pond. I think it met my requirement as well because I need a deeper pond and as well just nice size for my fish. For the time being, I'm still observing the performance of the ponds, but so far so good. I'm interested is the way that the pond filtering system is quite simple and it's actually easier for us to maintain and also for future support lah. So far, I'm happy with the service that you provided. From reply from your company for those questions that I posted, and then the staff are very supportive lah in that way. Of course, I will do. So I will recommend to them if they ask me.